Hi, I'm Diane, and I want to share my experience so far with my moon lamp. This was actually given to me as a gift, and it's so fun. I put it on my desk in kind of a corner that's a little dark. It brings a little light and ambiance to the area. But let me share with you how it works and what is so fun about it. Well, anyway, first of all, just to give you kind of a close-up, it has a 3D texture. It's not completely smooth, to be like the moon actually, and it's plastic. This is like a nice heavy-duty plastic, so you're not going to break it if it falls off. The stand that it comes in is actually a wooden stand. Now the cord that it's plugged into here, you can kind of just slide that to the side and have it plugged in all the time, either to your laptop or maybe just a power bank. And then if you just want it to be portable, you can unplug it and it will work without the plug. About an hour, a full day on the highest setting, maybe 2 days on the lowest setting nonstop. But I haven't tested that yet, but that's what I've heard. Now it has a little remote, and this remote will let you turn on about 16 different LED colors inside of here. And the remote itself is infrared, so it will reach about 30 feet in case you want to put this up high. You don't want to have to always have to reach for it to change the color. So this is very, very handy, and I'll show you how I turn it on. So I just click the on button, and there you go. I have to point it right at it. And then you have all these different color settings. You can go different shades of blue, different shades of purple and green. You can just do what's called, there's flash, smooth, fade, and strobe. And I actually prefer a nice fade effect. I don't really want this, that's the strobe effect. I think having that in the corner might distract me. This is called smooth. This is really nice, and it just kind of goes from one color to the next. This is a little too crazy for me. That's flash. So I just actually leave it on fade or smooth is just fine with me. Or if you just want one color, you can just set it to one color. There's different timers on here from 15 seconds to 1 hour if you want to set a timer. So that comes with it. Like I said, once you get it charged, you don't have to have it plugged in, but I do keep mine plugged in all the time. So that's the moon lamp. Get it. It's so much fun for a kid's room, your office, whatever. It's just really cute.